Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reason on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, we can look forward to seeing Flow International Telecommunications giant, viewers and subscribers, linking up with Vybz Kartel for some form of endorsement deal. After this statement, now recently a post was made in which someone from the comment section pointed out that the Digicel was there in the picture. So the teacher pointed out, say, yeah, we see them get a free endorsement upon that one, but at the same time, we want the world know, say, what you know. A Flow will say, viewers and subscribers, and that definitely sparked the comment section. The comment section went into a frenzy just based on that statement alone. Now recently, Digicel has been in the headlines. You know what I mean? Only for different changes are being made to that company in specific. We hear fans even say this. Them I wonder if them for stop call 100. Cause them I say after them call customer care, them realize say yo, it's like them credit start run fast as viewers and subscribers. Some people say them I wonder warm to Digicel she. Me no know. We're not get into that part of it. But we can say this. Dancehall music and corporate Jamaica has forged somewhat of a strong bond in this day and age. Because people realize that the music of the people, anything the fans are gravitating to. Because remember, at the same speed, we have multiple telecommunications giants. Whether we are talking about cell phone service, or we are talking about internet providers. So people choose to work with, whichever one seems more appealing to them. And when you can have endorsement from a superstar like the teacher, I say, what this is the product I use. Well, that is the definition of an endorsement, viewers and subscribers. And normally people that feel like, say, yo, it's always the company link up and then you make a statement. Sometimes it happens that way there. But sometimes some people just actually, attack a true statement, and then when the company hear that and get that endorsement, them say, no, we're going to link up. Many companies have been endorsed by Vybz Kartel, and whether it's a statement or in a song. Few of them have chosen to say, no, we're going to either pay respects or link up and try to do some form of endorsement. Some the teacher have denied. I've said, that's not necessary. We're not going to really do that. We're not commercialize certain songs. Certain songs are monster hits, and depending on the check size too. You know what I mean? Because some people want to write some small checks and feel like them can get that. No, it not work, so you have to talk about goal. You have, you know what I mean? Yeah, you have to adjust those prices. But definitely with an international conglomerate like Flow, you know what I mean? As a matter of fact, Columbus, you know what I mean? We can definitely know, say, yo, when them forward, the check right. You know what I mean? So there's a different type of settings when we are looking for a communication giant of this magnitude. But the statement, viewers and subscribers, is definitely, in my own personal opinion, an indication. Say, what can remember, Digicel can still link up to the teacher say, I flow music, but Digi can still link up. Maybe is a certain situation that's taking place. Many people choose one provider over another because of discrepancies that we have had in the past with them. Whether you have the service and you never like the way the bills were issued, or you don't like the coverage, or like the service itself. People find different reasons for choosing who they choose. Some people are just influenced into making that decision because either their favorite entertainer, superstar, or celebrity, I say, that company. So you still have that taking place down. With that, the company itself can always make deals and promotions and they get the price right, the price just right, so that the market can say, this is the better company. Digicel started on that campaign, and I don't know if that campaign has ended, but that was the campaign where them launched them whole platform with, and then in these later days people are saying it has become a bit pricey to even make a call. In truth, flow we are used. You know, yes, in truth, the flow we are used. Some would really necessarily know if you know Digicel better company. But we're not there to talk about that. We are talking about the endorsement and the fact that this is good for not just corporate America but also dancehall. And when dancehall and corporate America link up, it is good for the country and the culture. It's always good to see that our business entities support our culture, whether that is through sponsorship, whether that is through endorsement, whether that is through just support being showed or shown for that cultural aspect, whether it is the music, the sports, you know what I mean, the cuisine. So from support is being showed, we're always glad to see that. And from them support things where the consumers are also supporting, that make consumers support them more too as well. So, you know what I mean? They are all vying for market share at the end of the day. So, any way them can get that nudge over the other company, them will utilize it. At this point in time, it look like Flow is already winning, but you know, some good endorsement can't hurt. Yes, some more endorsement from the world boss himself. With the Grammy album about to drop, it couldn't hurt. So, you know what I mean? We are look out for it. No official confirmation as of yet, but with a statement like this from a star of this magnitude, it wouldn't be that surprising. We just point it out for those who might have missed what go on and what is taking place, and just for the fans overall. We are that interested in what is going on in dancehall music, or is dancehall music continuing to grow? Where is the evolution stats on dancehall? And really and truly, when we talk about evolution stats on dancehall and its growth over the years, we can say this: artists have grown to appreciate the fact that you can't just make music for one demographic. Meaning, if you are from the inner city and you want to be a superstar, you can't just make music for fans in the inner city. Because you have to remember, the world is not just made up from people from your inner city. So you have to touch topics that are universal. Topics where people even outside of your country will relate to. You have to also know, so you have to select the right beat, the right rhythm to put your song on. You know what I mean? You have to release a song in a certain style when you release a song. Promotion, marketing, all that have to take place, depending on the level where you are at. And even if you are a superstar of any magnitude, when any Drake, any big artist where you think of a put out a music, it is not by coincidence you hear it on radio stations, you see it on the blogs, you see it everywhere. That is called marketing. And it is just that for dancehall artists it is different, because some dancehall artists actually manage their own careers. Some of them have management. Very few are signed to a record label. It is up to the record label and the people who are in charge of marketing to market the artist and his music. When an artist have a market himself, you find say, yo, is either popular in a small area, in a hometown community, or maybe just in a country. Very few artists have managed their own career and gained international popularity, of which Vybz Kartel is among that very few set of artists who have done this. But at the same time, Vybz Kartel appreciate the fact that music is made up of multiple contributors. Not just the artists, but also the people who build the rhythm, them, from the engineer to the producer, to the record label executives who make the necessary deals so that money are forwarding into music. Everybody plays a role. It's not just the person who going on the book for Vybz song. In a start, let's remember, after you Vybz the song, it is now a recording. Who will now transform that into what people are now listening? You know what I mean? When it is now transformed into something where the listeners would want to hear. Before the advent of, you know what I mean, technology and these various platforms, how would you hear the music? You'd have to have somebody who go out there, or you'd have to go out there yourself and I try get people to hear it. So, you know what I mean? Nowadays we have different platforms, but as an artist you still need a team around it. People who pay attention to the different platforms and how your music are deal with this. So you need the people who are helping in the creative process, and you need management, somebody will handle bookings, somebody will deal with these different necessities in the game. You know what I mean? Definitely something to think about. Vice the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, you just pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that. I put it on all, and this is how you know we'll be notified about fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right up on the platform. The like icon with it, drop a like on the blog for me, like who your viewers and subscribers, you know how there's something go. Comment section always open. Share icon with it, tell a friend, tell a sister and brother, check out each other and check out the reason, join the discussion. Comment section open though 24/7, never lock it. Drop your thoughts, your comments and your opinions there, and yes, we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. So anything you feel like to talk about, drop it in the comment section. Who's your favorite cell phone provider? Who provide you with coverage? Talk to me. Our move settings for my wanna need a ladder, and my sentiments for you and yours that wanna live, love and prosper until we reason again.